Good morning, good morning. Lincoln Mitchell. Disclaimers on the board. Please read the disclaimer, people. Let's get down to business here. The 90-90-90 rule. 90% of the traders will lose 90% of their money within 90 days. So let's repeat it. 90% of the traders will lose 90% of their money within 90 days. Now, the thing I think that most people fail on in the market, especially when I'm on things like Facebook and I'm gonna pull up Facebook and stuff like that real quick here. One thing I learned in the market is when you are please help. I'm still learning. My question is how much profit per month if I can start with $10,000. See, one of the reasons I think a lot of y'all fail in Forex, or not just Forex, trading alone, is y'all are surrounding you. One of the main reasons I think you're surrounding yourself around people that's going to be asking the most simple and basic questions. You know what I'm saying? You're going to keep getting these things. You're going to keep getting the same basic questions over and over and over. You're not getting anywhere. You're not growing, people. You're not. Does anyone know a good broker I can get into? These are questions that you should already know. That's some of the part that you feel because you're getting on social media and you keep listening, so you're going to stay stagnant. You're just going to keep going around in a circle, around in a circle, around in a circle. That's one of the reasons why I think a lot of people fail. The biggest reason I think people fail is y'all are not understanding the market. Let's use this for instance. As you can tell, I took this one twice. I also took it on my MT4 on the other stream. On my MT4, I actually lost it. I won and I lost. I won more than I lost, but I still took a loss. Versus this one. One is another company's account, and this one is my personal account. And I should have did it backwards. My personal account, I didn't miss at all. I didn't miss it at all. On the other account, I missed it. But that's because there's rules I have to apply. I have to follow certain rules. Versus my personal account, I don't. But the more to that story, people, is you don't understand why I even took that trade. Why would I take this trade to go up? And it's on a downtrend. I took it down here and got me a profit. Now, why would I take that trade, y'all? You see, that's the problem some of y'all are not missing. You're missing. It's because once I seen this reversing here, I had price targets with a very strong target here. So I automatically assumed it would go up. And it did. As you can tell, I got it 2 times already. So I did very well on my personal account. But you're not understanding the market on how the market operates, people. You must understand how the market itself operates. Why would I take that on a downtrend versus this one? This one, I've been trying to kill this one this morning. And one thing I was looking for, I was desperately looking for another close at 93. So let's create a line. We'll go to 93. Right there. I was desperately looking for another close at 93. Why? Now, if you look at this, now I want you to look at that box in the bottom left. You see how I keep going inside that box. So we're going to go to this one here. Look where it's at. 92. 92. 92. 93. 92. 93. So why was I looking at a close at 93? You're not understanding the market and how the market is setting up, people. You must learn these type of techniques. You must learn. See, stop. And another thing, another third thing, is all y'all want to do is trade. You know, I get this all the time. Everybody wants to trade. People, stop that. Stop that. Learn. Learn. And continue to learn. I can show you tricks of this game that it will blow your mind. But how did I know these tricks? I know these tricks because I sit here and I study the market very thoroughly. So, and I also want to keep an eye on this other one too. This one right here. So while we're talking, what we had a number at 71. So let's say, for instance, we could get 70 out of that. So we're going to remember that one. Right? Now, another thing y'all do is this. A fourth thing y'all do, and I'm going to go to fourth and fifth. So remind me, the fifth one is about pips. Another fourth thing y'all do wrong is stop trying to do everybody's strategy, people. Everybody's strategy is not catered to you. It's not. You can take somebody's strategy and they can make a killing off that strategy and you won't make anything. And I'm telling you, there's a reason behind that. I said it before, trading is like food. Some of y'all like apples. I don't like apples, but that doesn't mean I'm going to stop being somebody's friend because of apples. Do you understand what I'm saying? Trading is different. Some of y'all are impatient. Some of y'all are fast moving. My wife moves very slow. She takes her time. She can move fast, but she takes her time doing everything. Versus me, I'm a da-da-da-da-da. Do you understand? So with that said, people, it goes to the next thing. Is stop listening to the misconceptions of trading. You don't need a lot of pips to make money. You need to know what you're doing. You don't need to bounce trades because you don't know what you're doing. Don't you ever bounce a trade, people. Don't you ever bounce a trade until you get good. Don't try to be a scalper if you like swing trading. Don't try to be a swing trader if you like scalping. Do you understand what I'm getting at, people? See, these are a lot of reasons why you're failing. But you know what y'all want to hear? Y'all don't care about that. Y'all want to go over here and see if this is going to hit 70 like Link in the Sand. That's what y'all want to know. That's the wrong idea. You want to know, Lincoln, how did you come up with that number? Did he put it here because of these lines? No. How did I come up with this next line? Did I put it here? No. There was a person once, and I'm not, and you know me, I'm not a basher. I'm not a basher of people because I don't care what people put on their videos or what do they sell the public or the media. That's just not me. I don't care. There was a lady, right? And she jumped on here, and there's a guy and there's a lady. There's like three guys, and I'm not going to get in their business like I said. But all of these people sent me information about trading, but yet they are on their public groups telling everybody know how to trade. So the funny thing about this was every time they had a hard question, they would send me an email, ask me the information. There you go, what I tell you. Ask me the information. And then they would respond to the masses with that information. Y'all ain't figuring it out yet, have you? See, that's why I'm trying to tell y'all. Stop following everybody. I was running $15 damn a pip on that son of a gun. And I got out that trade. I could have got 8 pips out of it. 8 times 15 is what? Oh well. People, that's my whole point of telling you what I am telling you. Sit back, learn this stuff for yourself. I'm going to get into that trade again if it pulls back. So I might cut this video. If it pulls back there, I'm going to pull it again. I got to get it right on my other one. Oh, shoot. But understand the market, people, first. Understand the market. Understand what's going on. Understand this price right here should get down to here. Understand that first before you get in here and trade. Get with a good mentor that can show you things. Don't just go with a mentor that says, give me $500. I make $5,000 for you in 2 weeks. If that's the case, people, why would they? I wouldn't sell nobody that damn strategy. And I really should start training because I keep getting that question keep popping up. And I'm going to explain, and I'm going to make another video on why don't I train. You know what I'm saying? But could make why I don't train. But that's the more to the story, people. This is the reason why 90% of y'all fail, because you're really not understanding what's going on. All right, Lincoln Mitchell. Bye. Didn't I tell you that was gonna happen? I missed that damn trade. Same way I told you about this one. This thing just knocked out all my prices, y'all. Dang, that hurts. When this happens to me, people, a spike like this, y'all just don't know how bad that hurts me in trading. Reason being, like I said, y'all not understand the market. What this thing just did was just knock out about 2 days worth of price actions. That spike. I mean, it just, I would, like I said, I wouldn't, that's what I'm telling y'all. You have to understand this market. Like, this one I love. But this one's going to stay stagnant. The reason why is between two price actions. You see how this thing keep hitting all my lines? Didn't I tell you that was going to happen? You notice it hits all my lines. That's the secret behind my success, people. And I apologize. I really do to my followers. And I should do one. But a lot of these videos, the reason why I can't, one guy really jumped on my case and he was 100% right. And I'm one of these type of guys, man. If you jump on my case, if I feel like I'm wrong, I can take it like a man. I can take criticism. And he said, Lincoln, I looked at a lot of your videos. He said, man, you're not telling the whole story. And he's right. I'm not. I'm not telling. I tell you what you need to know, but I'm not going to tell you my strategy. And he was offended by that. But he was also the same guy that turned around and was selling strategies, and he wasn't telling the whole strategy. And I said that to him. I said, well, you can't get mad at me for not telling people how this worked, how that worked. Because earlier in this video, I mentioned this one. I'm pretty sure I mentioned this one as well. I'm going to look at the video again, but I'm almost pretty sure I mentioned this line was going to hit. I didn't mention these because I didn't damn think it was going to spike that far down. But the people that follow me, y'all know how I trade. I trade my lines. Everybody knows that. And as you notice, see how that one stopped dead at my line? Do you see that? See how that one stopped dead at it, right on the head? This one stopped close to it. This one stopped close to it. This one going to stay stagnant. See how each one of these are tapping that line and recoiling back? That one should recoil back. Do not take bounce trades, people. Don't you ever, when you got a trade like this, you see all this price action, it just went under, boy, don't you ever take a trade like that. Don't you ever. It might fly back up, but it might keep going down to these. And if that happened, you are screwed. Once this thing has broken that solid area right there, and that son of a gun about to close in 2 minutes, 2 minutes and 30 seconds, don't you dare take that trade. Now, it might snap back. Don't do it. Do not do it, because if it does not snap back, I can assure you it's going down here, boss. It's going to get caught up in this little area here, but then it's going to keep going there. But the more to the story, see, like this one. See, I got some of this one already. I got some of this one. I missed this one, but I did grab this one. See there? I got about 7 pips off that one. I grabbed that one. I seen it. When I seen it drop, I already knew where it was going. I was going to get it again, but I be having so much going on. Now, here's a funny thing with this one. Believe it or not, y'all, believe it or not, this is a good sale right now. If you do correlation trade, that's a good sale. I would not sell that, though. Not right now. I still think it's a good sale, because that's why I was looking for that 93. But that's why I made this video, y'all. I want y'all to understand the market. Understand the market and how the market plays its game. Don't trade. Just like this trade, I told y'all this thing was going to hit that number. I told y'all. Because this is one I was looking at. I knew this one's going to hit this number. That's why I took that one. And I wanted to get this one good. I really wanted to get this one more. I was going to catch this one. And I made more than 7 pips off that. But who cares? But people, understand the market. That's my whole point. I want y'all to understand. Take out this video. Please do not take this. Say, Lincoln, well, if you knew that, and Lincoln, you knew that. I mean, I ain't know this one, because I didn't think this one was going. I just didn't have no target, so I wasn't going to trade this one at all. But for all y'all analytical people that's watching this video, write that number down. Write that number down. That number's already hit, so it ain't no good to you. That's it on that one. Write that number down. There you go. See, now this one might hit this. That one might fly way down there now. But see, what I tell you, 42 seconds, 20. So I just want to see where this closes at. See what I tell you. See that? Now watch. Let's see what's going to do. Now watch it hit that line and bounce off of it. We're going to watch this. Watch it hit that line and bounce off of it. Watch. We're looking at this one. Now, what just happened, y'all? What just happened? What just happened? America just came into the session. 8 o'clock. Bounce. Right there. Watch it bounce. Oh, it broke through a little bit. Oh, snap. Now, this is the next line. There we go. There got that little bounce. I thought it was going to hit there. There we go. That's the type of bounce I was looking for. Now, but not in a broke here. I would teach y'all a trick. No, I can't teach y'all that trick. I apologize because my wife is really, really big on me, man. She gets so upset if I teach certain things, so I apologize. I really, truly do, y'all. Y'all just don't know, because I'm more of a friendly guy. My wife is too. She's a very, friendly lady, not a friendly guy. She's a friendly lady, but she always tells me, she said, Lincoln, watch what you say, because she doesn't want us to mess up our money. You know, and she's right. She's right. But if that would have closed underneath this, that automatically throws you into grid trading. These are things I'm trying to tell y'all to learn, people. So let's get back to this one. See, what did I tell you? Don't you do that. Don't you do that. Now that thing dropped another. Oh, there's a price there. Oh. I got a notebook trade on that one. I have a notebook trade on that. Why did my cell phone go off? Oh, because it ain't hit 16. There's a notebook trade that says if this breaks 16, it's going to hit that line. It's going to hit 03 first. 03. But people understand what's going on in the market. Damn. See, this is what I don't like making videos. See all that money I'm missing? Bye.